Hello dear students, myself Professor Mishramkar Sunitra from JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Department of English, Maligaon. Dear students, in our earlier presentation we have seen the major elements of novel. We have seen two major elements of novel. We have seen the introduction of novel and two major elements, plot and dialogue. Again we'll revise. What is novel? Novel is an invented prose narrative of considerable length and a certain complexity that deals imaginatively with human experience. It happens usually through a connected sequence of events involving a group of persons in a specific setting. So, we can say that novel involves certain elements. Novel is a genre of fiction, and fiction can be called as art or craft. And this art or craft is presented through written word. It is actually representation of human life, and novel either instructs or diverts human life. Dear students, we already seen two major elements of novel, and today we are going to see another important element of novel, that is setting. Setting is an important element. It means the location where the events of the novel have been taken place. So the time and the location in which a story takes place is called setting. For some stories the setting is very important, but for some stories the setting is not important. Sometimes setting play an important role of a character. There are several aspects of a story's setting to consider when examining how setting contribute to a story. We can take example of the novels that we are studying in TYBA. For example, the setting of Guide is an imaginary village, Malgudi, whereas the setting of Animal Farm is Russia. Now here we can say that setting encompasses the factors like weather, geography, socio-economic status, surrounding, etc. These elements have an effect on the entire atmosphere of the novel. The weather condition gives the reader an insight into the emotional conditions of the character. Now here we can take example of Wuthering Heights. The dreary and scary sounds of wolves in Wuthering Heights gives us an impression how the Wuthering Heights is a novel with gloomy atmosphere. Now when we talk about place, it means geographical location. Just as said, the setting of Animal Farm is Russia. So it is geographical location. So here we can say that where is the action of the story takes place, that is setting. Now when we talk about time, it means when is the story taking place. Means it refers to time. That is also important in setting. Then weather conditions. Is it rainy, sunny or stormy? Not only this, but even social conditions, socio-economic status, surrounding is considered in setting. When we talk about social conditions, what is the daily life of the characters? That is important. Then mood or atmosphere. What feeling is created at the beginning of the story, that is setting. A story can be set in an imaginary place, such as an enchanted castle, or a real place, such as India or Russia. So, the guide which is prescribed for TYBA, that is a novel, The Guide, written by R.K. Narayan, has a setting of an imaginary village, Malgudi. So here we can say that setting can be an imaginary place. Now when we talk about time, the time can be the past, the present, or the future. The setting of a story is always important. It influences the way characters act and think. Not only this, but how do they behave in all aspects of their lives. So, setting is an important element of novel. Next important element of novel is theme. The theme is a controlling idea or central insight of author's underlying meaning or main idea. So it may be author's thoughts about the topic or idea. The title of the story usually points to what the writer is saying. Now here we can take example of R.K. Narayan's The Guide. The title gives us the theme of the novel because R.K. Narayan's The Guide tells us about the journey of Raju, the central character. Here in this novel, we meet Raju, who is Railway Raju, means tourist guide, and he is transformed to a spiritual guide. So the novel depicts Raju's journey from tourist guide to spiritual guide. So here the main idea or the topic or the theme of the novel is reflected through the title of the novel. Now here, so there are some examples of theme such as love is blind, believe in yourself, don't judge others, decision change outcome, or in Old Man and the Sea, the conflict of a man with nature. So man versus nature is the theme in The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, whereas in The Animal Farm the theme is Russia after Second World War. Now the next important element of novel is conflict. Conflict is essential to a plot. Here it is not merely limited to arguments or any opposition, but it faces main character. Now, the short story may be the one central struggle, or it may be one dominant struggle, or many minor ones. So, here conflict means struggle. So, this struggle may be a minor one, or it may be a major struggle. So, conflict is an important element of a novel. So, this conflict can be external conflict, means a struggle with a force outside oneself, or it can be an internal struggle also. So, here we can say that this internal conflict means a struggle within oneself. So, conflict is also an important element of a novel. There are four kinds of conflict. Man versus man means physical struggles with strength against other men, forces of nature or animals. Then man versus circumstances. It is a classical leading character struggles against fate or life. Man versus society, it refers to social struggles against ideas, practices, or customs. And man versus himself. So that is psychological struggles with himself, and this way the struggle of a man with his soul or ideas of right or wrong, that is a conflict. Thank you.